Hi and welcome to C++ floating point data type. I'm going to start by going to new source file right there. Now include the following: IOSpring there, and let me use my using namespace, and right there show you enter your column, then main function right there, enter my braces there. I will declare the following as double. Declare double. Okay, purpose of these the very purpose of this tutorial: perform all the usual arithmetic operators, which will include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and maybe also use the incrementation and decrease as well. So what I'll do next is, since I've declared my variable, you can see the data type used for X, Y, and Z, that is double. So the next thing I'm going to do is let's assign some value to this. So let's say that is 3.4. Then y equals, let me say, minus x. Enter my column there. Then come here and say z equals minus 3.14. Okay, so now the next thing I will do is, let's say, let's increase x. In this case, what I've done is I've actually increment. Let me just enter a comment there. Increment x. This is known as prefix. Okay, that's prefix. Okay. So what will happen is x is incremented, is added a value before any addition. Okay, the next one is, let's say I say y minus minus. So what will happen in this case is I've asked the system to decrement whatever value is entered. So I'm going to call that postfix there. Now let's say x minus x minus 10 or 1.0 there, and let's go for y equals y plus 1.0 as well, and z, let's assign the value of x and y to z. Enter your semicolon. So let's come up here and just take this up so that you guys can see what's happening. Okay, take this up as well. Now we want to now say z equals z divided by 3.14 there. So our final output, so we want to say C out. What would be the result of z? So let me enter line space there and say system pause, or else you will not see anything. Okay, system pause. Now let's return 0. Okay, what will the result be? But before then, let's close the bracket. Now up here, let me enter another system there just for my column. So right up here, just dump that in there and change the color. And then change my color to, let's go for so I go for white background. That's on maybe something 8. I don't know what color that is. So save the program for us. File, save as. Just gonna call it floating point. There. Save. If I compile and run, I have an error right there, and you guys see that a column, a semicolon is missing right there. That's why I have that very error. So I believe I fix it right now. Just save, run the program one more time. I also have another error there. Sorry about that, guys. I should have checked before compiling and running the program. So hopefully, there's just gonna be one here as well, and there will be one here as well. Now, okay, so let's give it a try again. Compile, run the program. There. So what the system just said to us is z equals minus 3.10. If you are good in mathematics, you can always work that out and see what will happen. So that's just a brief tutorial on how to use a floating point data type. One other thing is commenting is very, very important. So somewhere here, let me just show you guys. See, because I assigned some value there, okay, and here is division taking place. So division, just brief commenting to make things clear will be very, very helpful for your end user or whoever floating values. Okay, and here that would be addition. There. Okay, so I think that'll be all. Maybe here, come in here and just enter subtraction right there. Okay, and here maybe I should change that color to something black. Let's save. F9 to run the program again, or just click on this, and there, that's it right there. Maybe I should, if you want, you can always move that to the middle. You can always just move that to the middle if you want. Just get it centered. Save and run your program one more time. Maybe one more line there. Save, run, and there you see your output there in the middle. If you can't see that, come down here, go to the property, and just increase the font. I prefer to increase this font, and that's what you get. That is your answer right there. Z equals minus 3.14. I suppose you guys you've learned a little bit in this very tutorial. I've shown you a lot of ways of using floating point data type, and even how to increment the interface. So I'm just going to call it bye for now. You all have a nice day now.